Right, okay, welcome back to Bad Bees. Today we're going to talk about time wasters on social media. Now, a big part of the Onlyfans business and the adult content business online seems to do with marketing and marketing on social media. And what you're going to get when you're marketing on social media is a bunch of people in your DMs. They're going to be messaging you. And I'm going to be honest, a lot of the messages are going to be crude, rude, and just plain downright nasty. Okay, and what you'll get is a lot of creators spending time talking to these people to no avail. Because essentially, what a lot of those people in the DMs want is just to connect with you and talk with you. And they're enjoying that, and they're trying to get that for free so they don't have to sign up for your OnlyFans. I think around 90 to 95% of the people that are in your DMs, maybe even higher, that are in your DMs on social media aren't going to sign up to you. Because if someone's going to sign up to you, they usually are, and a very small minority need a little push or need to feel it's like a bit more real. So yeah, they'll sign up if you take things a bit further, which I'll get to. But on the whole, a large part are just wasting your time and want to chat to you for free, which is one of the big selling points of OnlyFans. But that's where we get into our second point. Now, if you can show a really key bit of personality, or if you can show something that people really like within like the first few comments, and if you come up with your own set script or tactic or that final little push to convert them once they start speaking to you, and it's the same thing you do throughout to everybody on social media, if you're someone that replies, then you could potentially hit that small percentage, that small minority of people to convert to your OnlyFans. Now, a lot of creators, what they might do is they might just set a certain word on their keyboard on their phone. When they write it, it comes up with a sentence, a set sentence, a preset sentence, like speed up. So they'll do a preset sentence. Hey, thanks for messaging. If you want to see more of my content, here's my OnlyFans link. Now, I know they do that to save time and to weed out time wasters, but whoever's on your profile probably knows you have an OnlyFans and an OnlyFans link. And they haven't signed up because they've tried to chat to you, right? So you may have to entertain them for a few messages. How many messages depends on you, but sending that link just like that, your success rate is going to be low. But what I'm not saying to, I don't recommend doing this for independent creators, because let me get to it. All right. What you can do is you can create a conversion script, which is the tactic or the sort of set sentences that you use in order to try and convert those people, right? And you could still do this on your phone. 1 word sentence 1, 1 word sentence 2, 1 word sentence 3. So set those presets to 3 sentences, and it's the same ones you use across the board. Because once you do it like that and you have a set script and you have evidence of it working in the past, then it can work in the future, right? For whatever small minority it may be, your manager or whoever takes care of your social media can be replying to everybody, and they can be trying to convert some of these people, and you may get a few subscribers from it, which you can't shake your head at because they may end up being loyal subscribers. However, do I recommend it for independent creators? I'm not quite sure, because see where I'm doing it, I'm detached from the situation. Okay, I'm on another creator's social media. I'm trying to convert these people that are saying all these rude, weird, and nasty things, right? And I can't tell a creator, an independent creator, oh, it's just a business, take it on the chin, just deal with it, because you probably don't even want those people subscribing because of the nasty things they're saying. It goes without saying, anyone abusive you should block. But just come to your own decision about it. Do you want to spend more time trying to convert people that haven't signed up on social media, which I think for smaller creators, you may have the extra time to, or do you want to spend more time on your content or engaging with those that have? It comes down to variable factors about how much time you have, what sort of person you are, what you really want to concentrate on. It depends on you. I'm not saying it's right or wrong. I'm saying if you are going to do it, bear in mind a small percentage of them will convert. And if you are going to do it, make sure you have a set sort of tactic to do so you're not wasting too much time on it, because it's such a small minority. I'll have another episode soon. I'll talk about time wasting on Onlyfans, because you can waste a lot of your time talking to subscribers as well. Who don't get me wrong, have come for the talking service, but you're not their partner. You shouldn't be talking to them more than you want, and if they are talking to you, maybe it's part of a service or something. So it's really key in finding that balance and boundary, and I'll do another video on it. But for now, peace, take care, love.